And so here is how I made money with MLSP. Now, if you're on here and you maybe don't know what MLSP is or aren't affiliated with it or whatever, MyLeadSystemPRO is a training platform that is not a network marketing company. It is an affiliate program, and I got involved as an affiliate 10 years ago, and so here's what I did when I ran into people that were in a network marketing company. I'm not a fan of flipping. I'm not a fan of saying, oh, you're in that company, you should be in my company. Like, I just don't like that. It's live by the sword, die by the sword. So I'm not a fan of that. And so, but what I did is when I did generate a lead and I came to find out that they were in another network marketing company, okay, I'd say, awesome. I hear that's a great company. I'm just curious, how are you doing with generating leads online? Now, 99% of network marketers are not generating leads online. And so they would say, I suck at it, or I have no idea what I'm doing. And I'd say, well, you may want to check this out. And I would actually send them a link to my MLSP affiliate link. And by just doing that, you see, I didn't run events. I wasn't like making calls for MLSP or anything like that. All I was doing is the leads that were coming to me from my other marketing is I just asked them if they were a network marketer. I would not try to bash their company and praise mine. I would say, well, I hear that's a great company. Good for you. How you doing generating leads online? They'd say, not very good, dude. And I'd say, well, check this out. You may like it. And I would send them a link, and many of them signed up. And so that was how I generated income on many, I don't know exactly how many, but I would guess thousands, on thousands of people that didn't actually join my network marketing business. And so I had PS lines on my blog posts. You could do live videos, but honestly, I don't know that I ever did much or anything possibly with actually pitching MyLeadSystemPRO as a standalone kind of thing. I just focused on leads. I focused on conversations, and I would generate a lead, connect with the lead, determine the need. If they were an existing network marketer, I was just like, hey, well, I'm not trying to steal you. I'm not a home wrecker. I'm not trying to steal you from that company, but hey, how you doing with generating leads online? And most of them would say they suck. Most of them would say they don't know what they're doing. And I'd say, well, you may want to check this out. And many signed up. In fact, Brian informed me earlier, and I had no idea. Brian actually informed me that I'm close, this is crazy to me, but I'm close to actually generating $1 million as an MLSP affiliate. And I can tell you, guys, I just focused on leads. I focused on conversations. I really didn't lead with MLSP at any point in my career.